You know how sometimes you feel that you need a tablet because maybe your display is not quite large enough, or you want to have that extra dedicated device that is specifically aimed for entertainment, jotting down random thoughts, as well as a device which is kind of a replacement for your smartphones to give to your kids, and something that is very omnipresent inside your household. Well, the Redmi Pad SE is something which fits the description. It's been almost 15-20 days since I'm using this, and here is my impressions and a full review for the Redmi Pad SE 4G. In this video, I'm not just going to talk about the features and the things it brings to the table, but the actual integration of this device in your daily life. Starting off, I really want to highlight the Dolby audio experience on this tablet. With a stereo speaker experience, and the audio quality is quite loud that it can fill your entire room. I tried watching a few trailers, a few movies, as well as attended quite a few calls, and my first observation in every activity was that the speakers are something which you can rely on, but at the same time the display does not complement the quality. Now, although it is a good display, the resolution is capped at HD. That means the videos or any content that you play on the display is not as crisp as you can expect on a phone, but definitely owing to the price point, this is a trade-off that you have to make. Although Xiaomi has provided 90Hz smoothness, so it does help with the viewing experience. I mean, the display elements are smooth, the device is navigated quickly, and thanks to the fast refresh rate, any element of the screen does not jitter while traveling from one corner of the screen to another. Also, the contrast ratio on this display is 1500:1, so definitely you won't get such punchy colors and a high contrast display. But as a household device which is just there to keep you entertained, keep your children at bay, also while helping them in their basic necessities of education, this display does the job. The pad has this scratchy texture at the back of the panel, and yeah, it's a polycarbonate back with a single 8-megapixel sensor at the back and a 5-megapixel selfie camera for your video calls. Now, I do mention that you won't be clicking any photos on this device because from a dedicated camera standpoint, the photos it clicks are good enough, but definitely not something that you would want to upload on Instagram. So the rear camera and the front camera are good for all kinds of productivity work such as attending calls, scanning documents, and taking loads of screenshots for your education or productivity or office work. Now, everything on this device runs thanks to the Helio G85 processor that's on board. Now, I do know it's a very old processor. I mean, 12nm processor in 2024 is something very laughable, and fitting such a large display with all the components and a 6650 mAh battery inside such a big surface is something you can definitely accommodate. Although in my usage, the UI lags a bit. You get HyperOS pre-installed inside the tablet, but definitely the UI isn't super responsive. If you are trying to do something very fast, you will definitely experience some delay, and for security, you only get the AI face unlock. You do not get any fingerprint scanner installed, so there's not even a capacitive fingerprint scanner here. But on the brighter side, this is a dual SIM 4G tablet. That means you can install two 4G SIMs inside this one. It has a Bluetooth 5.3 support and Wi-Fi 5 technology. Now, coming to the gaming performance, I did try out BGMI on the device. To be honest, games are playable, but obviously you cannot expect esports level gaming experience on these devices. But also, I do not recommend this tablet dedicatedly for gaming because after 45 minutes to an hour, the tablet does get heated up, and we can surely expect that from a 12nm processor. Now, apart from all the jargons and the mainstream tech videos, if we shift our focus from the specifications to the actual usability of the device, then number one, it does provide you a good display experience where you can watch movies with family. Number two, the battery backup is quite good and you can actually carry it around. Number three, if your priority is taking notes or attending meetings, on the note aspect, there is a delay in the touch response, so you won't be enjoying taking notes on this device. But for the meetings, the speakers are loud enough, and the 5-megapixel camera does quite a good job in equally lit conditions. When you do get an IP rated device, it's IP52 rated, so taking it near water bodies is something which I do not recommend. It comes with 2 TB expandable memory, so you can insert a memory card if you run out of memory for some reason. And inside the box, you get a 10-watt charger, which takes up a lot of time to charge the huge 6000 mAh battery. But you will find yourself charging this device only once or twice a week. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section. And for such trusted review videos, do consider subscribing to Elementec. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. It's me there signing off. You're watching Elementec, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.